Good morning, student. Last lecture we start lesson number 5, coal and petroleum. And last lecture we discuss natural resources and fuels. These 2 points we are discuss in details. Today's lecture we discuss coal, this point in details. Okay. Okay, now we start our today's point. Our first point is the coal. Coal means kolsa. Coal is hard stone-like substance, generally black in color. It is found in deep coal mines under the surface of the earth. It is one of the fuels used for the cooking food. कोल हा कसा आहे तर हार्ड स्टोन सारखा दिसणारा सबस्टन्स आहे. जनरली इन ब्लॅक कलर. कोलचा कलर कसा असतो तर ब्लॅक कलर असतो. इट इज फाउंड इन द डीप कोल माइन्स अंडर द surface of the earth and it is used in for cooking food. Earlier it was used in the railway engine produce steams to run the engine. ते रेल्वे इंजिन मध्ये सुद्धा कोल यूज केला जायचा. कशासाठी तर स्टीम टू रन द इंजिन. स्टीम्स मीन्स वाफ तयार होऊन इंजिन रन होण्यासाठी. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज इन थर्मल पॉवर प्लांट्स टू प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. थर्मल पॉवर प्लांट्समध्ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करण्यासाठी सुद्धा कोलचा यूज केला जातो. कोल इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड ॲज फ्युएल इन व्हेरियस इंडस्ट्रीज. हावेवर इट प्रोड्यूस अ लॉट ऑफ स्मोक अँड foul smelling gases which cause a lot of air pollution. Coal also used in fuel in various industry. मध्ये ते fuel means इंधन म्हणून सुद्धा कोल्स यूज केलं जातं. हावेवर इट इज प्रोड्यूस अ लॉट ऑफ स्मोक अँड foul smelling gases which cause lots of air pollution. पण त्याच्यामुळं काय होतं तर लॉट्स ऑफ स्मोक मीन धूर. कोलमुळं काय होतं तर मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये धूर तयार होतो विच कॉजेस लॉट ऑफ एअर पोल्युशन. त्याच्यामुळं एअर पोल्युशन होतं. नाव लुक ॲट दिस इमेज. इन दिस इमेज वी सी अ कोल. इन दिस इमेज वी सी अ कोल. Then next point is the formation of coal. Formation of coal. Coal is believed to be formed from fossil which got buried under the earth crust during earthquakes, volcanoes, etc., which occurs about 300 million years ago and were compressed by soil deposits. Due to high temperature and pressure and the absence of air inside the earth, the fossil got converted into the coal. This process of convergence of plants and animals buried in earth under high temperature and pressure to form coal is called the carbonization. It is very slow process and may have taken thousands of years to occur. कोल फॉर्म्स कशामध्ये होतं तर जेव्हा पृथ्वी अर्थक्वेक म्हणजे जेव्हा भूकंप येतो तेव्हा काय होतं तर मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये जमिनीला भेगा पडल्या जातात. आणि ते कधी होतं तर 300 मिलियन इयर ॲगो. तेव्हा काय होतं तर जमिनीला ह्या भेगा पडल्या जातात. ड्यू टू हाय टेम्परेचर अँड अब्सेन्स ऑफ इनसाइड द फॉसाईल गेट कन्व्हर्टेड इन टू द एअर. जे जीवाश्म इंधन असतात त्याचं कन्व्हर्जन कशामध्ये होतं तर कोलमध्ये. कोल मीन्स कोळशामध्ये त्याचं कन्व्हर्जन होतं. दिस कन्व्हर्जन्स ऑफ प्लांट्स अँड animals buried under the high temperature and pressure. हाय टेम्परेचरला काय होतं तर ते कन्व्हर्जन होतं. प्रेशर टू फॉर्म अ कोल, त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला कोल तयार होतो, त्यालाच काय म्हणतात तर कार्बोनायझेशन प्रोसेस असं म्हणतात. इट इज व्हेरी स्लो प्रोसेस अँड मे हॅव टेकन थाउजंड्स ऑफ इयर्स टू ऑकर्स. ती प्रोसेस कशी असते तर व्हेरी स्लो अशी प्रोसेस असते आणि त्याला thousands of years time लागतो. Then next point is the occurrence of coal. Next point is the occurrence of coal. Coal is found deep under the surface of earth. Russia, China, USA, UK, Germany, Africa and Australia have rich deposits of coal. In India, the coal mines are located in West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh. The largest number of coal mines are in Jharia and Bokaro in Jharkhand and Raniganj in West Bengal. ऑकरन्स ऑफ कोल मध्ये काय सांगितलंय आपल्याला कोल कुठं कुठं भेटतं. इन इंडियामध्ये कुठं आपल्याला भेटतं तर कोल वेस्ट बंगाल, ओडिसा, झारखंड अँड मध्य प्रदेशमध्ये. देन वी सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, टाइप्स ऑफ कोल. There are many types of coal. Different varieties of coal differ from one another in respect of their carbon contents and other impurities. There are many types of coal. The oldest coal is called the oldest coal is called the anthracite. Anthracite means कठीण दगडी कोळसा. Anthracite, it is a brilliant solid coal. This coal contains 94 to 98% of carbon. During burning, the anthracite gives the largest amount of heat as compared to the other kinds of the coal. इथे काय सांगितले बघा, अँथ्रासाइड हे ओल्डेस्ट असं कोल आहे अँड इट कंटेन्स 94 to 98% ऑफ द कार्बन. 94 to 98% ऑफ द कार्बन and it gives largest amount of heat. As compared to the other kinds of the coal. The second and the most common variety are the bituminous coal. On breaking, it does not present a bright surface and it is softer than the anthracite. It contains 60 to 80% of the carbon. Bituminous हे कोल काय करतं तर 60 to 80% काय करतं तर कार्बन त्याच्यामध्ये कंटेन्स केलेला असतो अँड इट इज सॉफ्टर दॅन द anthracite. Then next one is the lignite. The youngest regarding the time of the formation is brown coal. Lignite is the brown coal. It contains 30 to 40% of the carbon. The next kind of coal is a peat. It is the lowest percentage of the carbon, that is about 20%. Then next point is the uses of coal. The important uses of coals are as follow. First use, it is used as a fuel. It is used as a fuel. Then second use, it can be converted into other useful forms of energy like coal, gas, electricity and oil. Then third one, it is used to manufacture many organic components. Use of coal, it is used to manufacture many organic components. The next one is it is used as reducing agent in industries in the extraction of the metal, in the extraction of the metals. These all are the uses of the coal. These all are the uses of the coal. Then next point is the products of coal. Next point is the products of coal. The destructive distillation of coal gives a number of valuable products such as coke, coal tar, coal gas, and the ammoniacal liquefier. These all are the products of the coal. Okay. The next point is the coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. The first point is the coke. The first point is the coke. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It is prepared by heating coal in the absence of air. When coal is heated in the absence of air, then coal gas and coal tar are eliminated and coke is left behind as residue. It is almost pure form in 98% of the carbon. It is used as a fuel. It is also used in the manufacture of steel and extraction of the metals. कोल मीन्स हलका कोळसा. याच्यामध्ये काय सांगितलंय बघा, तो ब्लॅक कलरचा पोरस अँड ब्लॅक कलरचा काय आहे तर तो सबस्टन्स आहे. जेव्हा इट इज प्रिपेअर्ड बाय द हिटिंग कोल इन अब्सेन्स ऑफ एअर, एअरच्या अब्सेन्समध्ये जेव्हा हा कोल हीट केला जातो तेव्हा काय होतं तर देन कोल गॅस अँड कोल टार विल बी इलिमिनेटेड. Coal gas and coal tar will be eliminated and coke is left behind as residue. It is almost 98% of carbon. तर कोक मध्ये किती पर्सेंट कार्बन असतं तर 98% कार्बन असतं. Then next point is the coal tar. Coal tar is a black, thick and opaque liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. It is obtained by heating coal in the absence of air. On further distillation, it gives many useful organic components such as benzene, toluene, phenol and naphthalene. These components are used to make various substances such as the synthetic dyes, drugs, perfumes, paints, explosive, plastic, naphthalene balls and roofing material. Naphthalene balls are used to repel moths and other insects. कोल टार कशा फॉर्म मध्ये असतं तर अपारदर्शक लिक्विड फॉर्म मध्ये ते असतं अँड इट इज मिक्सचर्स ऑफ अबाउट 200 सबस्टन्स ते काय असते तर मिक्सचर असतं. डिस्टिलेशन केल्यानंतर ते युजफुल ऑर्गॅनिक कंपोनंट्स मध्ये सुद्धा ते यूज केलं जातं. सच ॲज अ सिंथेटिक डायज, ड्रग्स, perfumes, paints, explosive, plastic, naphthalene balls and roofing material, त्यामध्ये ते कोल टार हे यूज केलं जातं. Then next point is the coal gas. Next point is the coal gas. Coal gas is a gaseous fuel which is obtained from the strong heating of coal during the processing of coal in the absence of air. It is mainly a mixture of methane and hydrogen with some carbon monoxide. It is used as fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plant. Coal gas is the gaseous fuel. आणि ते कशापासून फॉर्म केलं जातं तर obtained from strong heating of coal during the processing of the coal absence of air. And coal gas is a mainly mixture of methane and hydrogen with some carbon monoxide. म्हणजे कोल गॅस कशाचं मिक्सचर आहे तर मिथेन अँड हायड्रोजन अँड विथ सम कार्बन मोनॉक्साइड. इट इज used as fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing point. Okay. Today's lecture we discuss coal point in details. Next lecture we discuss next point petroleum. Okay. I hope everyone understood these all points in details. Okay, the next lecture we will see the next point. Thank you.